You're watching Fox 17, part of the Scripps News Group.
Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Saturday morning. Waking up to quiet conditions, even some filtered sunshine showing up off on the eastern horizon as we take a couple of live views here. This is downtown Holland. Look at the beautiful sky scene looking out over downtown Grand Rapids off to the northeast this morning, out over the Grand River, of course, US 131 north and southbound. Temperatures are generally holding in the 30s to around 40 degrees. Areas north and east of Grand Rapids where skies have been clearer a little longer, those temperatures have dropped down to around or even a little bit below freezing. So a few areas north and east of Grand Rapids might have to do a little scraping before hitting the roads first thing this morning. Now overall, you've probably been hearing the headlines all week that we've got the first accumulating snow of the season on the horizon this weekend. We'll stay dry during the daylight hours today. In fact, our Saturday will feature quiet conditions from start to finish, rain or a wintry mix arriving after sunset this evening. Sunset time is at 5:25, so we'll be dry during the daylight hours. If you do have any outdoor plans, we will see that wintry mix then overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning we'll wake up to readings a little bit below freezing, so tomorrow morning's commute could end up being a little on the tricky side. Sharply colder air settling in for Sunday and Monday, and that's going to kick the lake effect snow machine into high gear as we head into the first part of next week. Now here's a look at the satellite radar composite. Once again, we're watching this area of active weather back to our west from Iowa back into northern Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, into the Dakotas, and that will be shifting eastward today. So any limited pockets of sunshine this morning will fill in very quickly with the clouds. Here's a look at 6 o'clock this evening, and we could start to see some of that precipitation begin to develop this evening. Better chance it becomes more widespread later tonight into early tomorrow. System clears out with that system-wide moisture early tomorrow, and then that lake effect band sets up shop with a northerly wind coming down the entire length of Lake Michigan, those areas around the foot of Lake Michigan, from around extreme southwestern Van Buren down into Berrien County, around the foot of Lake Michigan down into northern Indiana. We'll likely see several inches of lake effect snow. The futurecast between now and Tuesday evening shows you that most areas picking up just some limited amounts of precipitation. The big story, also the coldest air that we have seen so far this season settling in, upper level steering winds buckling well to our south, and that is a conveyor belt of that really cold Canadian air that will be streaming in with high temps in the 30s and lows in the 20s. As we head through the middle to tail end of next week, the core of that coldest air retreats. And notice the warmer colors that are going to be building off to our west. By the end of next week and into next weekend, we get that warmer air that rolls back in, and that will allow our temperatures to climb back into the 50s for highs as we close out the week and head into next weekend. You can certainly see a return to more sunshine as well. Pretty breezy week of weather ahead. The 8 to 14-day outlook, by the way, which takes us through the end of that third week of November into November 21st. Look at this across the central and eastern United States. A lot of really warm air is going to be building in. That does include the Great Lakes region. So look at temperatures many days in the month of November that will likely make it well into the 50s.